So this is the Realme 8 Pro. So kita natin guys, sa gilid ako sa Realme 8 Pro, and kita natin ang mga specs niya, no, which is having a 108 MP quad camera, super slim and light ang kanyang design, Snapdragon 720G processor, 50 watts na super dark fast charging capability, 6.4 Super AMOLED na full screen, and of course 4,500 mAh of battery size. And we have here is the 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Ang tawag sa kanya dito is the Infinite Blue color. So right now, i-unbox na natin using my favorite blade. Okay. So sabi nga niya, hey, welcome to the Realme family. So very welcoming out of the box pa lang, no? Paghila natin itong maliit na sleeve. So let's embrace a new journey. Pagbukas natin, kita natin ang SIM ejector pin. And of course, some documentations. This is the user guide ng Realme 8 Pro. And of course, probably this one is the warranty guide. So pagbukas natin sa tabi. And here is the smoke black jelly case. So looking pretty nice though. Hindi siya yung mukhang mumurahin na jelly case. Clear sa likod, pero medyo matte finish ang sa loob, no? So may grip siya. Yan, sabi niyo guys. Yeah. So hawak na natin dito is the color blue. So before that, let's see ano pa meron dito sa loob ng box. We have the 50 watts na super dark fast charger ni Realme. And of course, ang kanyang default na USB Type-C cable. Oh, nice. Wow, ang ganda ng color niya, no, guys. This is probably first time nakita ko ganon kaganda ang back, no, na isang phone, no. So, it's very unique, no. So, unlike any other phones out there, ito is parang may pagka-glittery blue siya from the bottom up. Papunta siya sa medyo light blue and papuntang white, no. And it's really nice na naka-engrave dito ang Dare to Live na slogan ni Realme. So, tingnan natin ng phone, no? Sa ilalim meron siyang loudspeaker, ang kanyang USB Type-C port, ang kanyang microphone in, and of course, ang kanyang audio jack, which is very, very welcoming sa phone na ito. And of course, here we have your SIM tray. Sa ibabaw, makita natin ang kanyang noise cancellation mic, and of course, sa gilid, ang kanyang volume rocker, and of course, power button. So kita natin ang kanyang quad camera, no, which is 108 MP ni Realme. Yeah.